Hi, you two. Hope you're okay. I'm just going to share with you now this PowerPoint that you started looking at yesterday. So we're looking at adding the ing, weren't we? But I didn't want to carry on going with that because I thought it might be too much to keep going, and we've just got to take it a little bit at a time with this learning, okay? Because we're at home and it's quite difficult, and I know that, okay? So I want you to just try your best with it and see how we get on. So we said if the vowel was a short sound but had more than one consonant after it, then add ing. Can you think of more words like these? So that was where I left you with, wasn't it? Look at the next list of words. What do you notice? There is something the same about each one. Oh, have a look at this. What do you notice about all of those words there? Talk to the person next to you, or if you're at home, tell a grown up what you think is the same. That's right. They all end with eh. And these ones have, yeah, they've got an eh, 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 eh. That's got the I split digraph there. A split digraph. The I split digraph. The A split digraph. And the U split digraph. Did you see what happened there? Let me see if I can go back. Right, look at that word. Does it say? It says come. Let's have a look what happens here when we add the ing, when we add ing. Gets rid of the eh and adds ing. Let's have a look at these words here. It's hope, joke, fake, slide, hide, take, tune. Do we predict that these eh might disappear from these words when we add the ing? Let's have a look. See if you can do the rest of them now. Pause this video now and see if you can do the rest of these words. So write out the word, and we're changing it to, so this one here, you're changing it to faking. This one, you're changing it to sliding. This one, you're changing it to hiding. This one, you're changing it to taking. And this one, you're changing it to tuning. Pause this video whilst you write these words and see if you get them right. I'll go through them now to see if you've got them. Well done. If it ends in drop the when adding ing. Use this song to help you remember. Oh, should we make this into a song? Let's see if it is the different one or if that's it. Let's have a look. Take off the add in g. Take off the add in g. Take off the add in g. Could you do that? I know Mrs. Cockrum is really good at singing. Did you enjoy that little song I did for you? Take off the add in g, ing. So if it's got an at the end and you need to add the word ing, you need to remember to take the off. What do you think the next rule might be? Let's look at this next list of words. What is the same about these? I don't know what's the same about these. E. Some of them got E. They don't all end in the same, do they? Has anybody got an answer what's the same as these? Break, leap, look, sleep, cheat, float, boil, sail. Ah, I think I know. They all end in, do they all end in a vowel? Remember what a vowel is? a vowel is. Let's go right back to the beginning about the vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, aren't they? Sorry, it's going to take me a bit to get back through this again now. Oh, get through this again. So I think that list of words that we had here, they all end with a consonant, don't they? None of them have got A, E, I, O, or U. Let's see if we're right. Okay, so it's just reading. Oh, so it said change the word there to breaking. What do we think we might do with here? It hasn't added any letters here or taken any off, has it here? It's just straight added the ing. Let's see if it does it for these ones. Leap ing. It's done it for that one as well. Do you want to have a go at the rest of them then? Looking, sleeping, cheating, floating, boiling, sailing. Floating, boiling, sailing. Oh, what's the rule? Talk to somebody if you agree with Mrs. Cochran that it ends in the consonant. I might not be right. Just because I'm the teacher doesn't mean I'm always right, does it? We sometimes make mistakes as well. Rules for adding ing. Oh, it's going through all the rules now. So we're going through all the rules. The short vowel sound with one consonant, double the consonant and add ing. Did that have a long vowel sound? Yeah, it did. Break, leap, look, sleep. Aha. They were the long vowel sound. Yes. Short vowel sounds with two consonant, you just add ing. So like jump, ing. Ending in E, drop the E, then add ing. Joke, ing. Drop the E. Long vowel sounds, just add ing. So look here, that there has the A. So that's a long vowel sound, it's making A. Whereas that here, the hitting, it was just hit, I. Whereas that's going A. Whereas that's going I. And this here has got two consonants at the end. You should maybe write down these rules for adding ing. That might be a really good idea to help you with your work. Some rules that you might need for when you're spelling. So somebody had today in the classroom, they wanted to write the word shining. Shine ends in the letter E. So what would we need to do for the word shining? Because it ends with E. Let's see if we can find the rule where it says it ends with E. Oh, here, ending E, drop the E, then add ing. So we'd drop the E and we'd write ing, wouldn't we? So it'd be sh, I, n, shining. Oh, could also do this. This is what I want you to do. Sort these words into the grids below. So I want you to now write out this grid on a piece of paper or in your book and sort out those words into that grid. That is what I want you to do. Then as an extra challenge, I want you to look for more examples in a reading book at home. See if you can add some other ones. Let's have a look. Go back. Let's have a look at this one. Shall we have a look? I'm going to pick one first to do. Click on a word to check. Let's see if this works. We'll do one. Let's have a look at this one. Ends in an E. So my prediction is this one is going to go here, and I would have diving. Yes, because it ended with an E. Let's look at one more. Sh. So that is a double. No, that's already got two consonants. So that means you just add I, N, G, because there's already two consonants there. Yes. Right, double the consonant. So if it ends, so that's a vowel, I is a vowel, and P isn't a vowel, is it? So we need to double the consonant there. Can you remember? Because if it hasn't got two consonants, we double it. Let's have a look. Skipping, well done. So I've done them three. You've got now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words now to do. Okay, have a go at doing that now, okay? And I can't wait to see the work that you've been getting on with. Have a lovely, lovely Tuesday, everybody. And can't wait to see all your work. See you later. Bye, everybody.